We just returned from a hiking trip along Hadrian's Wall in England at the border of Scotland. This is a stone wall built long ago during the reign of the Romans. We only did about 25 miles of the total 84 miles path length. This path cuts through beautiful green rolling pasture land where there are a great number of grazing cows and sheep. This means crossing many fences, both wood and stone, placed periodically for control of the herds of animals. Hadrian's Wall Path is one of the most visited official national trails, so it is quite a challenge to provide hundreds of hikers each day access through these fences while at the same time maintaining animal control. As you might suspect, having gates that require opening and then secure closure is a substantial risk. So the trail is equipped with several types of gates and styles, that is, ladder-like fixtures, that do not require human action to reclose the opening. I was particularly interested in the kissing gates, of which there must be hundreds along this path. This type of gate has a hinged portion that restricts passage of one person at a time. No matter where the hinged portion rests, there is no space for a cow or sheep to pass. This requires a restricted width opening, but also must provide space for hikers equipped with full-size backpacks. When you enter the opening, you push the rotating portion forward to open space, and then you must rotate your body halfway through, then pull the rotating portion in the opposite direction to open up the exit path. I was impressed with the sturdy construction of these gates and fences. In English oak, these gates are built to last for years and survive the continual operation of hikers. Joinery was also impressive with through mortise and tenon joints and sturdy cross bracing. So here is that looking down from the top into that box opening, and you can see the restricted path through there. And often these same kissing gates were positioned between stone wall structures that were built out of stones that actually were removed from Hadrian's Wall years ago. So here's that same fence, although I've coated it with materials. That is, I imported a picture of the grain from the oak on one of these fences and placed it on the SketchUp file, and also the material of the picture of the stone wall itself. Here's a top view that gives you a better feeling for the configuration of the opening in the path and the swinging gate. I'll just open up the swinging gate again, selecting the component, then choosing the rotate tool, positioning it on the fulcrum point, and then grabbing the end of the gate and swinging it over till it hits the fixed portion, and then it goes back and forth. That opens up to get into it, and then you turn around and rotate it the other way to get out. Very functional and safe kind of fence and gate for these kind of conditions. So here it is, a kissing gate at the stone wall.